Hey guys, before starting the video, I'm going to show you something. Check this out. Yes guys, I have made more than $100 with one sale. And this design is just made by using Canva and it's very super easy to make. This video I'm going to tell how can you make such type of designs just using Canva. So make sure to watch it till the end. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish. I have been in print on demand business more than a year and I'm here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, let's get started, and before starting, like, comment and subscribe is also important. So subscribe and subscribe. The number one question comes to our mind is, what is Canva used for? Basically, Canva is a website, graphic website, in which you can make a lot of designs. You can make social media, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, and all the stuff. And I personally also made my YouTube thumbnails from Canva. And you can also make logos, business cards, infographics, flyer posters, each and everything. And here you can see all the things like this: social media, personal, business, marketing, education, and trending. All these are the things you can make and can sell your services on Fiverr or other websites like I'm selling on Redbubble and Fiverr as well. And here you can see you can edit your Instagram photos and videos as well. So it's a great website to work for, and it will definitely pay you off just like it paid me off very well. Now guys, I'm going to show you Fiverr, and here you can see all the people who are selling their services and charging here you can see like $40, $50, $25, $40. And here you can see all I will design flyer, poster, banners, and all this stuff. And these guys are just making it using Canva, so it's very super easy, and you can also make such designs. And guys, just go for it. You can see here, you can see Canva, Instagram puzzle templates, and all the stuff you can see here. And there is a lot of community on Fiverr who are earning a lot of amount of money. As you can see, they are getting a lot of sales. Here you can see 251, 77, and more than that. And he is a Fiverr's choice, and he's just selling, and he's just making, I will create Canva Instagram templates for a beautiful. And he made just like making some things like this for Instagram posts and all this stuff. And guys, you can also make this and make a lot of money, so it has a lot of potential. Guys, definitely go for it and check it out. Many people keep asking me this question: is it easy to make designs with Canva? And I keep telling them that it's just super easy, and more in this video I will show you how you can make simple designs just using simple Canva, and it's just super easy. You guys can do it, and if it's giving me money, and it will definitely give you a lot of money as well. So guys, make your way through the Canva. Another website for which Canva is very best is Pinterest. You can make your Pinterest thumbnails or all the posts through Canva, and you can drag a lot of traffic from here. I personally know some my friends YouTubers who's getting more and more sales just using Canva and posting their images or all the stuff on the Pinterest, and then they're getting traffic from Pinterest to their Redbubble website. So you can do this as well, and guys, this is very profitable. Moreover, Canva is also used for in your personal daily life. You can make your Instagram post or something like that, make beautiful posts for your friend or video for your friend, and you can charge them money as you use your Canva. And guys, Canva is also for free and paid as well. As basically I'm using paid one. You can get the paid one, but the free one is also good as it contains all the vectors or the images you need. So guys, here we come on the main part of the video: how I made more than $100 just using Canva. As I showed you the notification of getting sale at the start of the video, so let's get started, and I will show you how I made designs on Canva. And I will go just there, create a design. As I'm making a design for a Redbubble shirt or that stuff, I will go there. Yeah, you can select all these ones. I will go there, custom size, and select 4500 by 5400 pixels as I already used it, and I will just select it, and it will keep going on. And here guys, here it is. And now from this is the elements. Here you can see all the vectors on all the pictures and all other stuff, and here you can upload your own stuff as well. And here are the fonts, the beautiful fonts, and here are some logos here you can see. And if you go more, and there you can search for more background charts and other stuff as well. that is essential for Canva. And there are apps and integrations with Pixel, Pixabay, embeds, emojis, Facebook and other Google Maps and all other stuff. And guys, here I come and here I type something like dog, and here I can see all the pictures, all the vectors and all this stuff. From here I can choose this one. Oh, it's looking cute, and you can going to make some sticker packs. So I will go to the graphics and it will show me all the graphics, and I will keep posting small doggos here. Yeah, I call doggos cute doggies. And here you can see all the dog, cute little one dogs. Yes, I'm making sticker packs, guys. I also told you about my sticker pack, how you can make sticker packs. If you haven't seen my video, go watch it up there. And guys, here it is, the sticker pack is ready. I will just download it from here, selecting transparent background and using 2 times, and here I will download it and it will be downloading. Moreover guys, I will show you something more. Here you can see the photos of it as well. You can select all the photos and you can make something else, and here from this you can resize as well. Here I'm using this one, but you can use it for the poster, as posters are important as well. And here you can use it for in the videos, presentation, Facebook post, poster, Facebook cover, Instagram post, logo, Instagram story and all other things. You can also make your resumes. Here it's downloaded, guys, and just select this design and where it is downloaded, and I will put it on the Redbubble, and when the customer comes I will get the sale. And in the same way I just made a design on some niche. Alright guys, and I uploaded it to the Redbubble, and after like 15 days I got the sale, as I showed you in the first of the video. Guys, I want to show you something more, and from here I will make this design, one more design, and here you can select all the templates like this one. Yes guys, you can see here you can edit this as well, and you can make this type of posters, wedding cards and all this stuff, and you can delete them as well and select the new one from here. You can see here. Yes guys, this is a cute one, and here you can search all the templates. Like if I'm searching for dog, here all the templates related to dog are here. Here you can select any one of them. And so this is it guys. Canva is very useful and you can make a lot of sales just using Canva. If you want to know more about Canva and Dell, so guys, let me know in the comment section, and also type I can do it. If you are watching till this end, thank you guys, I'm really appreciating your support. So guys, this is it from my side. Have a nice day. Cheers.